Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make a digital planner to sell on Etsy store just like these ones. Of course, if you are making everything from scratch and you don't know how, I would suggest to use some type of template, and I'm going to show you how to do that too. If you want to make one from scratch, you need to put up some plan, what to put there and so on, but it will take you a lot of time, maybe even a week to make one big planner. Of course, if you are good at this, just do your thing, but I'm going to show you today how to do it simpler, not from scratch. So you're going to go to Canva to create one. The digital planners most of the time are the same size, so it's either a A4 portrait document or it's US letter size. So let's search for this one. As you can see, it's 8.5 times 11 inches. So I'm gonna choose this one to create a digital planner. Now for our cover, I'm just gonna write down digital planner, and I'm gonna choose some font. Of course, you can put some type of flowers, for example. Let's choose something from here. Let's choose colors. So I will leave this just as an example. You can make beautiful designs. And now for the digital planner, you of course need some index page. So the index page is something like when you write down all of your pages. So of course you will have a daily planner, a weekly one, a monthly one, let's make them here, and you're just gonna hyperlink them. When you will have a daily planner page, I'm just gonna copy it and show you how to do it. And just in a second, I will show you how to make this easier and not from scratch. So when you will make a daily planner page, let's make some different font. For example, this one, you're gonna go here and let's add some title on the page, planner. And now I'm just gonna click right here, more, link, and you're just gonna click daily planner. And you're just gonna hyperlink. So when the person on PDF will use this, when they will click on daily planner, they're gonna go here on this page. So that's that. For the daily planners, you can go to the design and to templates, write down daily planner, and as you can see, there's a lot of options to choose from. You can click on one, on the free one maybe, or if you have a Canva Pro, of course use the Canva Pro version. And now you need of course to change almost everything, because you cannot reuse this because it's a template. So I'm just gonna make this a little bit different. So maybe top 3 priorities. Maybe let's make this one a different color. To match our planner. So now I'm just gonna copy my design, those flowers as I created them, and put them somewhere here so that my planner would look a little bit different. And that's that. So it looks kind of okay. For the sake of this video, I'm just gonna leave it like that. But now I'm gonna show you how to make a planner without much effort. So you go to Creative Fabrica. I use it all the time. And they have a discount right now for around 60 bucks. You get the whole year subscription, so definitely check that out. I'm gonna leave a link in the description. And now we're gonna search for digital planner, and as you can see right here, they have a private label rights PLR digital planners. So I'm gonna just choose this one, and I'm gonna download it just to show you how easy it is with this one. Of course, you can just upload it to Etsy and sell it, but I believe many people are doing that, so you need to change something at least. So now when I have downloaded it, I'm just gonna click here on the link, on the templates link, and open it on Canva. You get this planner here, and I'm just gonna use the template. Click on use the template, and as you can see, you get a daily, weekly, monthly, month at a glance, and a self-care tracker, income tracker, and some notes pages. Of course, when you will edit it, you're just gonna click on duplicate page, and you will make more pages so that you could download it as PDF and sell it on Etsy, upload it to Etsy, the whole planner of yours. So now I'm just gonna go here and I will change some colors. Let's make it maybe orange and lavender color maybe. And you're gonna click on change all, and everything changes to the colors you wanted. Now, of course, we need to change these stickers, and maybe I will also change some fonts. So for example, to this one, and now this one too. Well, maybe it's a little bit too big, but let's change it. Change all, and now I'm gonna make it smaller. As you can see, it changed all of the fonts. Let's make it maybe 40. Let's make this one too. And basically that's how you edit it. You edit it a little bit, and you can then download it and resell it. I'm just gonna quickly do all of the pages. Now let's add some of the stickers. Of course, for the illustrations, I would also suggest to use Creative Fabrica because you can just sell them, and you won't need to use Canvas. Maybe let's download this one and upload it to Canva to use on our planner. Let's add some flowers too to our planner to make it more authentic. Of course, this doesn't really suit this planner, but this will work for today. You can also delete these ones and add some flowers here too. I don't think I like this, so I'm just gonna change to the flowers, to these ones, and it will look a lot better. Maybe let's add some other colors, maybe this one. So that's basically that. That's how you edit it, however you like. And after that, you're just gonna do a duplicate page. So I'm just gonna duplicate it to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's a whole week. Now the weekly planner, and after that the monthly planner. And for 1 month, you will need 5 weeks or so. And of course, it's undated planner because it would be really hard to make a dated one. And after you will make the whole planner, you're just gonna click on share, download, do a PNG, a PDF standard, or just PDF print, and you select all the pages and you click on download. So that's that. Now, if you want to make an editable digital planner, you want to create a template. So you're just gonna click on share and click on template link, and you're just gonna copy it and put it on some PDF file for something like "thank you for your purchase." So you're just gonna open a new file, A4 or something like that. You're just gonna write down "thank you for your purchase." This would be just an example. And access your digital planner here. Let's make some background. Make it a little bit transparent, or maybe not. Let's leave it like that. You can put your digital planner's photo right here. And after that, you're just gonna click these 3 dots. You put a link here, paste it, and click on done. And after that, you're just gonna download a PDF standard. You're just gonna click on download, and then your customer, you will upload this file, this PDF file, to your Etsy store as a digital file, and then your customers, when they buy this product, they will access this template through this link. So that's basically it, guys. That's how you make a digital planner, not from scratch. You can also, of course, do your own thing and make it from scratch, but I would suggest to use some type of templates to make it quicker. And that's basically it, guys. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.